Did you know Conversation AI inside of HighLevel can manage your appointment reschedules and cancellations without you needing to lift a finger? Most businesses manually manage the back and forth when it comes to cancellations and reschedules, but with Conversation AI, that entire process can be automated. You can build a bot that responds instantly, updates your calendar, and confirms changes just like a human would, except it works 24/7, never misses a follow-up, and speaks exactly like your brand's voice. And the best part is it's super easy to set up. Once it's live, you can connect it through SMS, live chat, Instagram, Facebook, and a whole bunch of other channels. And it will instantly respond to cancellation and reschedule requests, updating your booking calendar without anybody needing to step in manually. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step. So you're going to need your HighLevel account and then come into your sub account. Once you're in there, come down to AI agents, up to Conversation AI, and then you'll see you can create a bot. When you click on that, you'll have general Q&A and appointment booking. In this case, I'm going to show the appointment booking one. So I'm going to click on it, click continue, and then I need to select a brand voice. A brand voice is a knowledge base of all your business's information, from your mission statement to your email, to your times that you're open, to your contact information, all in one place so that the bot can use that to answer the requests of the customer. So what you'll need to do is select a brand voice. If you do not have one, click on create new brand voice, where you'll be able to fill out the brand name, the website, and a couple other information, and then you can come down and click on save. That process is also very simple. I already have one, so I'm going to click on this one that I already created, where if I want, I can click on edit just to see a preview and adjust any information if I would like. But once I'm happy, I click on next. And then this is the place where I can name the bot. So I'm going to call it Ben's main test, and then I'm going to select the preferred channels. In this case, I only want it to be for live chat, so I'm going to toggle off all the others. But you can also let the bot run on all these different channels so that you can handle all requests coming in from people. Then you can select the wait time before responding of the bot, as well as the bot's initial message. Once you're happy, click on next. And then you can come to the bot's goals, which is the place where you can decide what you want to collect from the person. In this case, I want to collect the name, the email, and the phone number. Actually, I'll take out the phone number and just say name and email. And then when I scroll down here, I just have to select the calendar. And then right over here, this is where you allow the bot to cancel an appointment. So with this bot, we are only saying that it can book an appointment. But if you toggle this on, you're now saying that the bot can also cancel the appointment. And just below that, you can also toggle on if you would like the bot to reschedule an appointment. So these two toggles are so powerful if you would like the bot to manually handle the entire operation from booking to cancellation to rescheduling, all automatically. So make sure those have been toggled on. And then when you click on save, come up here to autopilot, which just means that any inquiry that comes in, the bot will take care of it. So when I click on autopilot and say save and close, you'll see Ben's main test has now been created. If I want to see the advanced settings, all I have to do is click on it, where it's the same information as before, but I can refine it if I would like. And in bot training, you'll see a test window. If you do test and book an appointment, the appointment will be scheduled onto the calendar. But if you want to test the reschedule link, it is wise to then only test it live instead of doing it in this preview tab. So just to show you an example quickly, if I say, hey, I would like an appointment, I just wait for the bot to reply. And there we go. After 2 seconds, it replies, asking me for the information that I originally set it to ask. In this case, it was the name and email. So I'm going to give it my name, give it a fake email, and then it's going to give me a whole bunch of times that are available based off the calendar that I attached the bot to. So I'm going to say I'm available on Friday. And there we go, my appointment has now been booked. In just a moment, I will then receive a notification just to show you a test example of what it looks like when you book an appointment. I'm having a conversation and it's just asking me for a name, and it has successfully booked me into the calendar. Now when I ask it to cancel the appointment, I can just say something like, hey, I want to cancel that appointment, and the bot will respond with a confirmation of the time that I booked for, as well as asking me for the reason for the cancellation. So I can say something like, I have something else on. Then instead of immediately canceling the appointment, it will first prompt me to reschedule. But if I still want to cancel, I can just say, yep, let's cancel. And then it will go ahead and cancel that appointment. And in just a few seconds, it will send a message like this. Your appointment for this time has been canceled. And that whole process was done automatically without anybody stepping in manually. It's an amazing feature that's going to help so many busy businesses, and it's super easy to build. So if you want it for your own business, then go create a Conversation AI bot inside of HighLevel to manage all your reschedule requests and your cancellations.